Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been a little bit busy the last week or two doing other people's work. But what I have done is I've taken the weyshaft bracket off to line up, shim up for the valve rods. So they're running in there nicely now, look. And also I've been trying to clear a little bit of room around here because I've managed to get hold of a 626 milling machine. That's the base there. It's a little bit beat up, look. I just got to do some welding around that area there first. And here's the other two parts there, look. That's the head. That's the bottom part with the cross slide and that. There's a power feed there as well. And it's also got a self-oiler there, look. So now I just got to repair the base and get this in. I mean, I was surprised, it's all beat about, but when you look at this cross slide, look. I mean, it's pretty good. I was surprised. And it's got digital readout on the X and Y. Right, so let's get it on in there. I'll just repair the base and get this on in there and put it all together. Right, so I've done the welding on the stand. There's the tray there. Now I've got to get the other bits in. Well, I got this milling machine together. It's surprising how good it is, really. The actual cross slide is blooming good. There's the digital readout. There's the Y. And the X. There's a power feed. Here's the said. And the head. It's a Morse 3 taper, so I haven't got to get any more tools. In reverse. Good. And there's the, just loosen that right there. Coarse feed. And you've got to tighten that right there, and then you've got a fine feed down. Good. Yeah, I had to get it all done by tomorrow, Friday. Because Friday, tomorrow, I'm in hospital having a new knee joint. I'll be out of action for a little while. So I shall try and post some video. There's one or two little jobs I can do while I'm resting my knee after the op, like some CAD. Because on the traction engine, the valve carriers, they do say gunmetal castings, which is a bronze type material. So I'll probably do the 3D model for that. And one or two other little bits, and I'll keep you posted. So please subscribe to my channel and join me as I build a 2-inch scale Fowler Showmans Traction Engine.